Hi, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to send Ether using the geth console, the command line console for Ethereum, which is still the best wallet that I know of. It's fast, it's portable. I don't really bother with the graphical one. So if you know of a good graphical client, let me know and I'll give it a try. But the use case here is that a friend, Jonathan Tumim, is running one of my miners for me at his Bitcoin mine, at his warehouse. I left my rig's address, but I but I forgot to get the address, and so I needed him to transfer the money to me. But it's encrypted, and he didn't know the password. So rather than send him my password, I had him send me the key file instead. And the key file is in a directory called key store. So he just sent me this whole directory, including key store. And the individual key files, well, it's not there anymore, but on a Mac, it's in the home directory, subdirectory library, Ethereum, key store, and each key is in a different file, and these are encrypted. So the one that I wanted to import is here. It was created on March 13th. So the name of the file includes the UTC timestamp that you need to import the key and then to send Ether from it. So I'm going to go ahead and start up geth. One window. Let me go ahead and get rid of all these other things. And the reason why I'm attaching to geth from a separate window with geth attached is because I want to run a console, but I don't want to be interrupted every time there's a new block. I mean, it's comforting to see all the blocks being imported to know that you're current, but they're distracting. They get in the middle of you typing a command and you lose track of where you are. But at the same time, you need to be synchronized. And this is the sort of the drawback of all wallets. Not really a drawback, but the fundamental truth is that all wallets need to be synchronized so that when you send Ether, that transaction will get picked up and verified, which is which is what it means to send a coin. So let's look at the accounts. There are two of them. The one that we want is ETH account 1. And the great thing about, or in fact, the distributed nature of Ethereum is that I can send from my wallet no matter where I am. All I need to know and have the private key, of course. So, and so even though I created this account in Moses Lake in Washington, I was sent the key file by encrypted email. I imported it here, and then now from my laptop in Tucson, I can send the key. I can send Ether to myself, but that's not the whole process. So first, let's check balance with eth.getBalance. And there's a big number that's in Wei, which is in I believe it is 1,000 billion of a Ether. I may have gotten that slightly wrong. There are a lot of zeros there. So you can convert to it with web3.fromWei. And yes, I have roughly 10 Ether that I mined from 1 week of running a 40 mega hash per second rig in Moses Lake in my computer called Starlord, named after Guardians of the Galaxy, of course. Okay, so how do I send this to myself? Well, first of all, let's create a sender variable, which is the address that has the Ether. And then I'm going to create a receiver. And this is all basic JavaScript. This is a JavaScript console, after all, even though it's written in geth. Receiver will be an address of my Chrome extension. So I lied. I actually found a Ethereum wallet which is decent and not a full-blown client. It's not a node, but it is this Ethereum client right here, my Chrome Ethereum wallet. It's a plugin, but you can also send Ether from it. That would be the easy way. If you imported the address into this wallet first, or just created a new wallet. And this is what I mine to right now. This is where all my miners are being sent to. But if you have something on a geth wallet, on an address you created in geth, you need to get it off first. So this is how to get it off. And then you have some value that you want to send, which should be in way, even though you can change it to ether for ease of reading, human readability on the console. The actual programmatic amount needs to be in way. And so now you have a method which is called send transaction. And it takes in a JavaScript object where the from key is from the sender, the to key goes to the receiver, and the value goes to the value. And this would be all right, except because it's encrypted, and you should be seriously concerned if your private key wasn't encrypted. It asks for a passphrase, and now I'm going to pause the video and type in my password. Actually, maybe there is no way to pause the video. Okay. I can share a particular window, and then let's see if that shows up. Okay, good, not yet. So let's share. Why isn't the terminal screen showing up? Okay, it might be on a different desktop. This is where it helps to be prepared, kids. All right. Hangouts can only share screens on the current desktop. Okay, let's stop this.